And welcome back to another day of watercolor practice. I'm just gathering my supplies and I plan to use this pen for today. It's a Fude nib, a sailor pen. I want to use it because it gives thick and thin lines, which makes your artwork look stunning. I'll fill it with some waterproof ink. This is Rora Unklinger, and this is going to be my inspiration for today's painting. Let's get started. I'm going to quickly sketch some twigs just fill in random lines and squiggles. You see, I'm not trying to copy exactly what I see there, but just randomly draw things. Next one is going to be a simple leaf. This is just from my memory. I'm just making some shapes and trying to fill it in with some lines. Banana leaves because the tropical country where I'm from has a lot of banana leaves, so of course I need to have them here. And this one, I didn't know what I was doing. You can see that I'm a bit lost, but that's okay. It's just practice, and we're just gonna draw some random leaves. It doesn't matter how it looks like. This one is again supposed to be a rose leaf, but it didn't turn out like that. And some random smallest leaves. I wanted to draw a creeper, but I ended up doing this. Again, just filling up the page with some leaves. I switched to this watercolor because I like it. I'm just going to apply a light wash of pinks and darker washes of the pink. Some yellows and oranges, just to keep it interesting. I'll use the same color and add in a bit to other leaves as well because I still have color on my brush, so why not? Add some reds. Again, take the same color and add it to other leaves a little bit at a time, just so that it looks a bit different than just using greens. I'm gonna add some browns because I really wanted some browns in this palette. And there you go, adding some browns, dots and dashes, that's it, not a lot. And I felt like this needed some bright color, so I added some neon pink as well. Gonna add it to this leaf as well. And some dots of yellow here and there. And obviously some more pinks and reds. The banana leaf needed some color. More color to make the leaves pop. Okay, I think I'm done with the leaves, so I'm just going to fill the page with squiggles because, I don't like the blank space in there. As you can see, I didn't fully color the leaves because I wanted it to be like that. Okay, so we're done, and here's the page from today. I hope you liked it.